Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed this highlighted V-part wig, so stay tuned. So I'm just going to unbox this package with you guys. This hair was from Beauty Forever, so shout out to them for sending me over this package. So inside I received this little goodie bag. So I got a wig cap, some eyelashes, a melt band, a makeup brush, and of course I got the wig itself. So this was a 24-inch V-part wig. I'm just going to show you guys how the inside part looks. So it has clips going all around the V-part. There were 5 in total. Then it had 2 combs at the side and 1 comb at the back. And it also had adjustable bands. That way you can adjust the wig to your liking. So this is how the wig looked. The highlights came already done, so that was great in case you wanted a new look. And the hair was already straight. So installing this V part was very easy. So we're gonna go straight into this tutorial now. Alright guys, so I was going out this night and I needed something very quick to do, so I decided this V-part wig was the easiest thing to get done in the short amount of time that I had. So what I did was I made sure my hair was already blow dried, it was straight enough, and then I'm going to just go ahead and part out my leave out. So with the V-part leave out, you do not have to leave a lot of hair out. That is the great thing about this wig. So you part your hair down in a V shape. And then we're gonna put the rest of the hair into 2 braids.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve, see you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this.
Once I finish braiding my 2 braids, I'm just using a band and I'm just tying them both together just so that my braids don't come out. And now we're ready to put on the wig. So what I've noticed with these V-part wigs is that the parting is not that long. So what I went ahead and did was I made a little slit to make the parting longer because I like my parts to be long. So instead of having a short part, I was still able to achieve a long part. So that was great. So all I did was I just stuck my braids inside the wig. I used the comb and I just put it in the middle of the back of my head. And I'm gonna be using my clips. You wanna open up the clips, stick them into the parting as close as possible. Well, stick them into your hair as close as possible and then close them. And guys, once you've done that, the wig is basically on. So just for extra security, I went ahead and put the combs in at the sides. You don't necessarily need to do that, but the wig is on. Like, that is it. It's simple as that. So, you know, it's not much work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron the wig. You just seen, I showed you guys the DAX. That's all I put in this wig. And I'm just gonna go ahead and run my iron through it very quickly because you guys know I was in a rush this day. So, you know, we still achieved an amazing look. We still achieved an amazing look, and that's what counts. You guys know on a regular day, I would be going row by row and flat ironing this wig, but there was no time for all that. But we still made sure it was straight. The wig was already straight itself, so that was great.
Lately I've been low time, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the here, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve, see you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this, why you in a rush, know you got no business leaving, why you always leaving, know you want that repeat, yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a range about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it, still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing.
So once I finish flat ironing the wig, I'm just gonna go ahead and style my leave out. As you can see, there's barely any leave out, so that's great. But you want to make sure you leave some here at the back part, and it's only just a little bit, and then of course at the sides. Now I'm just going in with my Paris hair wax stick on my leave out just to help blend it with the wig. And once that's done, guys, this wig is complete. This is basically how it looks once it's done. So you know, I was already feeling myself at the end of this. So yeah, shout out to Beauty Forever for sending over this unit. I love a V-part wig. It was super simple and easy to install. I hope you guys were able to follow along with me and learn something. I love me V-part wigs because I love my leave outs. I will never leave my leave outs alone. So shout out to them. All the details on this wig will be down in my description box below. So go ahead and check them out. They have a bunch of other wigs if you guys are interested. So you can't go wrong. But if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you are not already. And follow me on Instagram, guys, at nay.simone, and also on my hair page at Paris Hair, and that's Paris with 2 eyes. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.